Alright everybody, welcome into episode 6 of the How It Works video series, as always powered by General Informatics. We've got some really cool stuff for you guys today. We're really going to be diving into Teams today, and I think it's important to remember throughout this whole process that the initial purpose of Teams was to help enhance collaboration between employees both inside and outside of the office. So we've got a few tips today that are going to help you guys continue to collaborate. And with that being said, Jonathan, you want to show them how it works?
Yeah. So the primary thing to keep in mind when you're going into Teams is that the most important part of Teams is going to be your device settings. So we've got a Teams meeting pulled up here, and if I need to change, let's say, my camera settings or my microphone, you can go up here to More and choose Device Settings, and this is where you can choose your speaker, your microphone, and your camera. It's really helpful if you have multiple cameras, multiple microphones, or multiple speakers.
All right, guys, so getting more into the collaborative side of things, you'll see that share button to the left of the big red leave button, which I know we all want to hit every once in a while. Once you hit that share button, it'll bring up a list of options, one of them being to share your entire screen, or if you want to get more specific with it, you can share a specific window that you have open. Moving on to a different thing that Teams offers is the virtual Microsoft Whiteboard, which is a really good tool to help share ideas and kind of brainstorm while you're within a Teams meeting. You get a lot of offerings like these different pens where you can draw things, you can insert text, sticky notes, different shapes, and even images that you've got.
All right, so I know for a lot of people, it's kind of difficult to express your ideas by drawing on a screen with a mouse. So another option we have here in Teams is to share a physical whiteboard. So if we've got a physical whiteboard in the office, we can point our camera at it and actually share it. If we go here to Share and then go to Content from Camera and Whiteboard, in this case, we have a second camera set up here on our whiteboard, and what it's going to do is go in and actually scan the edges of our whiteboard and then transpose that so it's full screen. We'll hit share to bring it here into the meeting, and then as Scoop's up here drawing stuff on here, it's presented to everybody in the meeting. A really cool tool though in here is if you click this overlay presenter option, it's going to scan all of the content on the whiteboard and overlay that over the person writing on the board, so all of the information on that whiteboard is now front and center for everyone to see.
So guys, now it doesn't matter what I draw on the board or where I step in front of the camera. The people watching are always going to be able to see what's on this board. You can even take a screenshot at the end of the whiteboard once everyone's done and share that to people who maybe weren't in the meeting. All right, everybody, this has been episode 6 of the How It Works video series. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to email us at howitworks@geninf.com. Thank you all so much for watching.